Hey, how's it going? Let's see what's been happening in the news. It's that time of year again when the sun is shining, the flowers are blooming, and angry magpies are on a mission to destroy us. Or at least, that's what it feels like. So what's their deal, and why is it happening now?
Spring. It's the time of year when baby magpies start hatching, and it's thought adult magpies, particularly daddy magpies, are a little protective of their chicks. Magpie season usually lasts for about 6 weeks, so if you spend a lot of time outside, you should probably be on the lookout around now for an angry magpie or two, because these birds can be really dangerous. People have reported being cut and bruised or even suffering really serious eye injuries. So what can you do about magpies? Well, experts say one of the best ways to avoid being attacked is to stay away from dangerous locations entirely. But if you can't avoid them, apparently dressing and acting weirdly, really weirdly, with masks and stuff can help discourage attacks. And these guys have a few extra tips of their own.
In reality, just run, bolt off.
I maybe have sharp objects if they come. Yeah.
World-famous activist Greta Thunberg has been named 2019's Ambassador for Conscience. So what's that? Well, it's Amnesty International's most prestigious human rights award. It's given to people who've shown courage and are using their talents to inspire others, which Greta's definitely done with her campaign against climate change.
This award is for all those millions of people, young people around the world, who together make up the movement called Fridays for Future.
An American woman has become the first person ever to swim the English Channel 4 times in a row. That's this bit of water here between the UK and France. Sarah Thomas started the journey early Sunday morning, and it took her more than 54 hours to swim there and back twice. It was supposed to be a 130k swim, but the tide and winds were really strong, so she ended up swimming about 200k's. Whew, no wonder she looks so tired. What's your favourite subject at school? Maths? Science? Well, some kids in Western Australia are learning all those things and more in one awesome new after-school subject.
They're scuba diving.
I think I'm pretty prepared for it. I don't think I had any trouble learning all the stuff, but yeah, I'm pretty excited.
These guys are involved in a special after-school program in Karratha. They're working on getting their scuba diving qualifications, while also learning things like physics and maths and other stuff they'd usually cover in school.
Well done, mate. Good job. Another superstar as well.
But it's not as easy as it looks.
Everything will fine, except the suit is just the hardest. It's really hard to put on.
After practicing in the pool, the group gets to test out their new skills in the deep blue sea.
Ocean, you can, it's big, but the pool is little, and you don't have enough room to swim around. But yeah, out there is more better. Yeah.
Some of the kids reckon they could even make this a career one day.
It's just a good opportunity to get, some good career ideas, and I've wanted to do marine biology for a while now, so it's going to be good for that, have a scuba diving degree or license, so I'll be able to do that anytime when I'm 16, and it's just been really good.
There were times when people dreamt of flying cars and tiny cameras in the sky. Well, as these next stories prove, the future is now. Need to get somewhere fast? How about a flying taxi? Look, it's more of a gliding water boat, but it'd still beat a boring old four-wheeled car any day. The Bubble, as it's called, is being tested out in Paris. It's electric-powered, noise and pollution-free, carries up to 4 people and a driver, and the best part is, no traffic jams. This one shows how technology really comes in handy when there's a 3.5-metre shark approaching you. This surfer was totally oblivious, but luckily the guy flying this drone saw and blared out an alert message to the surfer. Whew, so lucky. And meet Bing Dwen Dwen, the flying space panda. At least that's what I'm calling the new Winter Olympics mascot. The giant panda is of course the perfect choice for the symbol of the 2022 Games in China. And I guess the Superman-style meteorite superpowers are just icing on the bamboo stick? And that's it for now, but before you go, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on seeing every video we post every single weekday. You can also give us a thumbs up if you liked that video and hit the bell button so you get notifications.